Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to the subject Software Engineering. In today's session, we are going to discuss about requirements gathering phase in software development lifecycle. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the definition of the requirement and about the requirement gathering. Now, the requirements gathering phase is the first phase or stage in software development lifecycle. Now, what is the requirement? What is the definition of the requirement? See, the need of the client or idea of the client or thought of the client or vision of the client is called requirement. Now, here, who is responsible to gather or to collect the requirements? Software vendor. Who is called as software vendor? The company which is designing and developing the software project to the client. Who is responsible to provide the requirements? Client or the customer. That means who is called as a client or customer? Who is the owner of the project? Owner of the project is called a client or customer. Now, so how they will collect the requirements? How the software vendor will collect the requirements? See, on behalf of the software vendor company, one team will go to the client place and they will gather the requirements from the client people. Business analyst is the resource. Business analyst is a person who will lead this team. So, and how they will collect the requirements and all, we'll discuss. See, requirements gathering. Software requirement specification is a means of translating the ideas of the client or translating the thoughts of the client into a set of a formal documentation. The name of this documentation is called Business Requirements Specification Document. Shortly, it is called as BRS document. So, this BRS document has to be prepared by following IEEE 830 standard. Who will prepare this BRS document? Business analyst. That is, business analyst is the author of the BRS document. As the business analyst is preparing this document, that's why this is called as a BRS document. That means only the requirements with respect to the business of the client. That is why this is called as a BRS document. Now, how these requirements will be gathered? By the vendor team from the client people. The vendor team will conduct the meetings with the client teams or with the client managers or the stakeholders to determine the requirements. They will keep on discuss each and every point of their project, what that the client is thinking about his project. They will note down those particular requirements. After completion of collecting all these requirements, the business analyst will prepare the BRS document. Right? So, the process of gathering the requirements from the client by the vendor team is called as requirements elicitation. The process of collecting the requirements from the client by the vendor team is called requirements elicitation. This is called as requirements elicitation. Right? Yeah. Thank you.